Welcome to MultiTeach and Lessons Online. In this tutorial, I'll show how to create and manage lesson lists in Lessons Online and send them to students. Select the My Lists tab in the navigation bar to create a list or access lists you have previously created. This will lead you to the My Lists page. If you haven't created any lesson lists, the screen will be empty. In this example, the screen contains previously created lesson lists. You can create lists only if you have created lessons in Lessons Online or imported them from the MultiTeach Lessons community. The lessons you'll use to create lists are accessed from the My Lessons page. To create a new list, select the green Create New List button. A pop-up will appear. Type in the name of the new list, then select Create List. The new list will appear at the top of the My List page. To add lessons to the new list, return to the My Lessons page and locate the lesson you would like to add to the list. Here, I'll select the YouTube link lesson about the resolution of the eye. A pop-up will appear. From this pop-up, you have several options. If you have many lists, you can use the search box located under the lesson's thumbnail to search for one quickly. You can scroll to see if you've added the lesson to other lists, or add the lesson to another list. After you make a selection, you can add the lesson to the list. You can also select Create a New List if you'd like to have the lesson appear in a different list. You can also cancel the transaction. Here, I'll scroll to the title of the new list and check the box. Then check Add to List. A confirmation message appears. After you've added several lessons to the list, you might want to change the name of the list. Go to the My Lists page. Scroll to the list and select the title. It will open to the Lists page. Select the Edit List icon located under the title. This will open up a pop-up where you can change the title of the list. You have the option of removing lessons from the list. You can select the play button under the list's title to preview the list before sending it to students. If a lesson needs editing, you can return to the lists page and edit it from there. Selecting Send to Students will lead you to the School Work Assignments page, where you can select the class or classes where the lesson list should be sent. After sending the list, a confirmation message appears. You can guide your students to log in to their Lessons Online accounts, where they can begin interacting with the lessons in the list. This has been a short tutorial about creating and managing lesson lists in Lessons Online and how to send lesson lists to students. For more information, visit the following links.